Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create vertical and square videos in Vidently, which is a desktop video creation app with which you can create videos using pre-made video templates. You get 200 professionally designed video templates with a front end. Now, if you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch these two videos to get a better understanding of Vidently. So here is a video project that I created in Vidently. I used the Parallax Presentation video template. And as you can see, I have only one scene in the timeline below. If I preview this video project and render it, it will render as a horizontal video. To render this video as a vertical video, you will notice these two check boxes, Export Vertical and Export Square. If I check this box for Export Square, you will notice that it places a red line grid in the preview section, along with these four handles in each corner. To determine which region to capture, you can use the playhead to scrub through the video and then move the grid horizontally to capture a specific region, like so. You can then use the preview button in the menu bar up top to preview the video. Similarly, if I check the box for Export Vertical, you will see that it places a vertical grid 720 by 1280 in size. And like I showed you earlier, you can adjust the position of the grid to capture a specific region, like so. And finally, use the Create Video button in the menu bar up top to render your video. You can render vertical videos in 720p and 1080p resolution. Here are examples of the square and vertical videos I rendered using the video project. If you are into video creation, I would highly recommend Vidently. And during the launch period, you will get it at a very low price. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.